Hi friends, I'm going to tell you today about simple basic animations, how to add simple animations, how to make simple text animation using Victorian Ghetto. Today you will learn how to insert layers and frames, keyframes, and add text effects, animations, etc. See, this is your first. We go to the first layer. This is our first layer, and if you lock it, you'll see that this is our background layer. Here we have inserted the background, blue background, and the frame is up to this background. This background will continue up to 95. It means our whole animation is going to start from this first layer background. This will be on the first layer background, and it will start from first frame of layer 1 to 96th frame. Here it is going to end. Or whatever we have to do is we have to do whatever animation and whatever things we have to put. We have to put it within these 95 frames. We can insert layers. We can insert as many layers and as many animations, as many pictures, and as many things we want to increase. We can include it here. We can keep on adding layers and keep on adding things. But suppose we want to extend the movie, we have to extend it right from this layer first. The background scene will be extended first. Otherwise, if this scene is not extended, then this background, the blue background, sky blue background, will not be seen. Suppose we make an animation and we do not extend this. If suppose this animation we bring it here, so what will be the result? Result will be that there will be animation, the other things will be there, but this background scene will be not available up to 96th layer. So we have to extend the background up to 96 frame on timeline, and other animations will be done here. This is this second layer. This is our this is our candlestick plus candle stand. So if we put it off, you see the candle is not there. If we switch it off, this one also, the background is also not there. Here the background is available. Now the candle is available, and this one is our first text animation. Suppose this is the flame. The flame will keep on burning. If we see the flames, you just see on the flame. Just see on the flame how it is going to work here. How it is working. See the flame only. It is the flame is coming. It's just moving. The moving effect is here. It has been inserted. If you see this, it has been inserted step by step. There are 2 or 3 flames moving with alteration, and it has been inserted one by one to give it a moving effect. And now what do you want? ऐसा चाहिए सब चाहिए जब मैं कुछ काम करता हूँ. Okay, that is all.